network management protocol. So first of all, you have to stop the running services. So you have to power on the CentOS virtual machine. So you have to log into your CentOS virtual machine using your root credential. So you have to log it to the CentOS as a root user. Root. Then you have to give the root password. It is also root. Okay. Now I'm going to stop the running services. So in order to stop the running services, you have to give the command service. Then what are the services that already here? So DHCP and DNS. So I'm going to stop the DHCP first. So service DHCPD, then stop. Then I'm going to stop the name service. Name service means the DNS service. NAMED. Then stop. It is also stop. Then I'm going to install the SNMP. So first you have to go to the NMP UI. NMP UI means Network Management Text UI. Then you have to go to the activate connection here. So you have to activate your NAT adapter and you have to deactivate your VMnet2 host only adapter. Okay. In my case, this is the NAT adapter and this is the VMnet2 adapter. So I'm going to activate the NAT adapter and deactivate the VMnet2 host only adapter. Okay. Then okay. Now I have the internet connection. So I'm going to install the package. Yum install, then -y. Then what is the package? It is net -snmp. In order to run the SNMP command, you have to have a net SNMP utils also. So the second package that I need is net SNMP, then -utils, utils. Okay, then on. So it's give me the error. So I'm going to stop this. Then I'm going to change my network. So first, so using the slit Wi-Fi, you can't download. So I'm going to change my Wi-Fi connection. So disconnect this and I'm going to use my mobile connection, mobile hotspot connection. Okay, it is connected. Then I will give the command again. Yum install. Yum is the repository. Then I'm going to get two packages from the Yum repository. One is NetSNMP, NetSNMP package and the NetSNMP utils package. Okay, NetSNMP utils. So it will give a few minutes to install. Now the package is successfully installed. Then I am going to off the NAT adapter, and again I am going to on the VMnet to host only adapter. Activate this and deactivate this. Okay. Then you have to view the SNMP configuration file. In order to view the content, what is the command that you use? Cat command, right? So cat, then slash etc slash snmp slash snmpd.conf. Okay, check that. Slash etc snmp snmpd.conf. So yeah, this prompt me the content. Okay, then I am going to edit this file. So I'm going to open this using VI editor. So again I get the previous command, and instead of cat I'm going to use VI. VI is the file editor. So slash etc slash snmp slash snmpd.conf. So now I'm going to edit this file. So then you have to go to the insert mode. Type keyboard I button. Okay. So then you have to using arrow keys. You have to go to the down here. Then you have to add the few lines. Then after this, you have to give in some enters. Then you have to add uh, these lines. Okay. Public. Then you have to give the your server IP here. Your server IP is 10.0.1.2. Okay. Then then 127.0.0.1 is your loopback address. Okay. Then sys location. Then double quotation HYD comma UN data center. Then sys sys contact. Then admin at ndm.lk. Okay. So you have to add these lines. Okay. So you have to check with the your lab sheet. Okay. Right. Then I'm going to save and exit the from the file. Escape WQ exclamation. Then